Še 2 meseca nas loči od največjega svetovnega srečanja mladih, ki bo v začetku avgusta v Lizboni na Portugalskem. A tudi Ljubljana je že v polni pripravi Evropskega novoletnega Taizéjskega srečanja.
Priprave na Evropsko srečanje mladih, ki ga bo gostila Ljubljana od 28. decembra letos do 1. januarja prihodnje leto, so že v polnem teku. Od 1. do 12. junija sta Slovenijo obiskala predstavnika Taizéjske skupnosti, brata Andras in Kilian.
We can also say that is the preparation of the preparation of the preparation, because from September onwards we will be here with a group of young people to visit different local communities, churches, parishes, other local communities of other churches. That's why I say like that, because we would like to prepare them to welcome all those young people who will come from many European countries at the end of the year.
It's a meeting that we prepare together with the young people here from the city, and it's very important, first of all, of course, for us to come here and to know about the local situation, the activities, the treasures that are here. But at the same time, all these young people who will come at the end of the year for the meeting and who will join us, many of them, they know Taizé, the place where we come from. Some have been to European meetings, and it will be, of course, very helpful if also young people who are from Ljubljana and the region, if they know what we are living there and what these young people, why they are coming.
Med obiskom so bili v ospredju predvsem zadnji dogovori glede pripravljalnega centra, ki ga bodo od septembra do januarja uporabljali prostovoljci za načrtovanje srečanja, sestanek na mestni občini ter molitve po raznih krajih.
We try to put together and to look at the same time these technical and practical aspects and the spiritual aspects. So it's very important for us to not separate that all meetings we make, all things that is going on, we try to see all these 2 aspects or even more aspects, and we're not focusing too much on the 5-day meetings at the end of the year, but we are saying to ourselves that it has been already started, and then we already leave something with people whom we meet. We pray together, we get to know each other, we speak about our ideas, our reflections, we are listening to people to understand what are the questions in the society of today, in the churches of today, in the everyday life of young people today.
Tega velikega projekta in hkrati velike priložnosti so se lotili soorganizatorji v katoliški mladini.
Recimo s prostovoljci zdaj že zelo aktivno delamo z 2 ekipama in gre pravzaprav za to, da malo reflektiramo delo za enkrat, pa potem vidimo korake naprej. Z marsikateri župnijo smo se že srečali, potem tudi z mestom, pravzaprav vedno zdaj gledamo še en korak naprej.
Bratje prihajajo z vabilom, da bi čim več mladih poletje odšlo in se spoznalo s Taizéjem in da bi tudi druge mlade povabili na novoletno srečanje v naši prestolnici. Evropsko srečanje mladih je dogodek, ki ga Taizéjska skupnost že več let pripravlja kot del romanja zaupanja na zemlji. Vsako leto pisano množico mladih od vse povsod v svoje domove sprejmejo domačini, za program pa poskrbi celotna krščanska skupnost.